So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save the Word file as XML document on your Microsoft Word. So for example, this is my Microsoft Word sample file. Now if I want to save it as an XML file, all I need to do is to just simply go on File option right there, click on Save As right there and select the location, for example, on the document folder I want to save it. So just simply press document folder or whatever folder that you want to save it to, and here you just simply need to give the file name, and in under this save as type option, click over there, and here you find this option of Word XML document, or you can get the 2003 version of XML document as well, or the strict Open XML document as well. So I would recommend you to go with the Word XML document because this is the basic one. And now if you save this file, it will directly save it as an XML file, so you can open it anywhere using your smartphone or any platform that you have.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.